Hello everyone, myself Vasundhara Garg, Assistant Professor in Bapu Banarsidass University. Today we are covering the topic of media and its types. First discuss the importance of media. Media plays an important role in our day-to-day life. We stay up to date with the news and the things that happen in the world with the help of it. One can know what's happening in the United States of America while he or she lives in India. It can make or break the reputation of a person, organization, political party, etc. Let's find out more about it. Let's understand what do you mean by media. Media means the means of mass communication regarded collectively. It has various forms such as print, television, radio and the internet. The print is the oldest form and the newest form is the internet. Print media has two aspects, newspapers and magazines. Our next topic is role of media. Media is said to be the fourth pillar of democracy. One of its important role is to inform people about the things that are happening. It is also important to give valid and real news and helps to progress the society. It has also helped to get justice for a lot of cases. For example, Jessica case, Ayushi Talwar case, Nirbhaya case and many other cases. Now I discuss how media and big business houses are interrelated. The media indirectly connects the common people to big business houses. These big business houses pay the media firm to advertise their products and services. Their advertisements are then shown on television, newspaper and radio. People get aware of the product and services offered by a company and buy their product, which benefits the companies. Companies also gain a reputation due to this. This relationship can be seen as a relationship between an advertiser and a maker. Our next topic is history of media. 40,000 years ago, some human ancestors painted on the wall of a cave on the Indonesian island of Sulawesi. You can see the right side, the painting of that. They left stencils of their hands and other markings. Cave paintings in France and Spain have been dated to a couple of thousand years later. Experts don't know exactly what purpose the artwork had, but some suggest they might be the first examples of communicating through a medium. The audience for such paintings was very small. Now I am going to discuss the first radio station. On November 2nd, 1920, radio station KDKA in Pittsburgh went on the air to report the results of that year's presidential election. 8 years later, pictures were added to sound. However, the widespread installation of television sets in people's homes did not happen until the late 1940s. The technology of television kept improving over the years. Now come to the timeline of television technology. In 1948, first cable delivery system. In 1952, Canada got its first TV service. In 1953, first color broadcast, but nobody had a color receiver. In 1962, first satellite broadcast. In 1965, color technology improvements encouraged widespread use. In 1976, Beta home video recorders introduced. In 1983, high definition television demonstrated. In 1998, first digital broadcast was introduced. In 2005, flat screens was introduced. In 2010, three-dimensional television was introduced, and in 2017, LED was introduced. Our next topic is types of media. Media is broadly categorized in print media, electronic media, new age media. Now come to the point, what is print media? This type of news media used to be the only way of delivering information to the public. For the generation of the 80s and 90s, print media was the only media of entertainment. People relied on newspapers and magazines to learn everything, from the recipes and entertainment news to important information about the country or the world. Print media includes newspapers, magazines, books, banners, billboards, brochures, flyers, and many other types of print media. Now come to the electronic media. Broadcasting media includes video, audios, or written content that provides important or entertaining information shared by different methods. For example, television. In the past, there were a few channels sharing various types of content, whereas now we have thousands or hundreds of TV channels to choose from. Each channel delivers a different type of content, so you have a separate channel for news, drama, movies, sports, animation, nature, travel, and etc. It's the number one broadcasting media due to its reach to the audience. Next one is radio. Uses radio waves to transmit entertaining, informative, and educative content to the public. Due to its high reach to the audience, radio is widely used for advertising products and services. Radio is one of the oldest means of entertainment, and today people often hear it to find out the weather or traffic while communicating. Next one is movies. Film, motion picture, screenplay, moving picture or movie has worldwide visibility. It's the best type of mass media to promote culture or spread social awareness. Movies have always played a huge part in the entertainment world. The last one is new age media, that is internet. Nowadays, we are relying on the internet to get the news a lot more often than traditional news sources. Websites provide information in the form of video, text, and audio. We can ever choose the way we want to receive the news. Types of internet media include social networks or websites, online forum, podcast, AI content. What is social networks or website? It means the Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, Link, Snapchat, Quora, etc. Online forum is a place where we comment, message or discuss a particular topic. Podcast is series of audios focused on a particular topic or theme. AI content. The rise of AI generated content has disrupted the content creation and online media landscape. Plenty of blogs, videos, and more have been relying on different AI tools like ChatGPT and etc.